A girl in a green coat gets on at York. She has a shoulder bag and a coffee from AMT, probably a latte. Probably a latte with cinnamon sprinkles. She looked tired, defeated almost, asking a woman if she could move so she could get to her seat. She sat down, drank her coffee, and then pulled out a chunky spiral notebook, the sort with loose leaf bits of paper secured between the pages. Looking around a bit before writing, and then stopping occasionally to look pensive, or to look out of the window, or to close her eyes. After a while, an older woman in a maroon coat sits next to the girl in the green coat. Shortly after this, the girl asks to get up. She disappears for quite some time. When she returns, the ticket collector is almost there, which causes a small kerfuffle as seats are vacated and then taken so that everything is back in its place. I watch her as she rests her tired, hungover head on the cool glass of the window, listening without a choice to the personal music player of a woman in a mustard cardigan sat behind her. From her face, I can tell she doesn't understand what the music is, but errs on the side of not that good. After she reaches this conclusion, she opens her eyes and writes again in her notebook, her eyebrows furrowed, serious in mood, or perhaps just in concentration. She nods off for a while, and in a bit, a man with a loud middle-class voice wakes her up. He is apologising to the person on the end of his mobile phone. He explains that if signal is lost, it's because he's on the train. He tries to book a table for tonight, 5:30, 6 p.m-ish. She decides he lives in London and knows how it all works there. How self-assured, she thinks to herself, knowing a number for a restaurant in London that he'd like to take someone out to. How exotic this all seems to her. Dinner in the theatre on a Saturday night in London. That's living, she thinks. That's living. Knowing how such a life is lived in such a busy place. She admires him. Envies him, even.